Hello! Today we are going to learn about sea animals. But first, let's open these water beads. Let's put the beads in this bowl. Look how tiny the beads are. I see white, blue, green, dark green and clear beads. And now let's add water and watch the beads grow. Look, the beads are growing. They have a white circle around them. The water is almost gone. Let's add more water. The beads look very wrinkled. They're so slippery and slimy and squishy. It's so cool! Wow, so shiny! Ooh, this is nice! Swimming in the beads will be fun! Cool! Woohoo! This is awesome! It was fun playing with the beads. And now let's look at the sea animals. They all have different colors, shapes, and sizes. This is a crab. Crabs have two big claws, and they like pinching. This is a sea turtle. Sea turtles have a tough shell and flippers for swimming. This is an orca. It has a black body, white belly, and white patches. This is a fish. There are so many kinds of fish in the ocean, and they are very colorful. This is a lobster. Lobsters have big claws, long bodies, and flexible tails. This is a starfish. It looks like a star and it has 5 arms. Let's take a break and put some water beads into this glass. Cool! More beads, please. And now rainbow beads. Nice colors. Ooh, so pretty. It's so cool! This is an octopus. It has a soft body and 8 tentacles. This is a seahorse. It swims by using its tail and the back fin. This is a stingray. It has a flat body and a long tail. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are very playful and very smart. This is a shark. Sharks are always moving and they have a lot of teeth. This is a whale. Whales are the largest animals on the planet. The sea animals are hiding in these water beets. Let's take them out one by one. It will be fun. Let's see what we've got. Crab. What animal is it going to be now? Sea turtle. I wonder what we get next. Orca. Let's see what we've got. Fish. What animal is it going to be now? Lobster. I wonder what we get next. Starfish. Let's see what we've got. Octopus. What animal is it going to be now? Seahorse. I wonder what we get next. Stingray. Let's see what we've got. Dolphin. What animal is it going to be now? Shark. I wonder what we get next. Whale. Let's swim in the water beets. Woohoo! It's so cool! I'm swimming in squishy, squishy beets. It's my turn now. swim, push, push. Yippee! And now, let's drop the sea animals into this glass. What animal is this? Orca. Look at this animal. What is it? Fish. Let's name this animal. Sea turtle. What animal is this? Octopus. Look at this animal. What is it? Starfish. Let's name this animal. Stingray. What animal is this? Lobster. Look at this animal. What is it? Dolphin. Let's name this animal. Crab. What animal is this? Shark. Look at this animal. What is it? Seahorse. Let's name this animal. Whale. We hope you had fun with us today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.